How to change domain name in Shopify. So in this video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to exactly change the domain name inside your Shopify account. So let's start. So one of the first things you're going to want to do after you log into your Shopify account, right, is go to settings on the bottom left. Once you select settings, you're going to see the settings page and you're going to see the option for domains. You want to go ahead and select that as well. So once you selected the domains page, you'll see something like this that you're seeing right now in your screen. So when in the domains page, you'll have two options. You either connect an existing domain or buy a new domain. To connect an existing domain, all you need to do is select connect existing domain, enter the domain name that you own, right? And then you'll be able to copy DNS records that will show up in your Shopify account into your domain provider, right? Or you have the option as well to buy a new domain within Shopify by clicking buy new domain, right? And then you could go ahead and search for the perfect domain name and it will show you which ones are available for your Shopify store. Now, if you don't want to, one of the benefits before I continue is that it will connect it automatically once you buy inside Shopify. Now, let's say you don't want to pay $17 for the first year for your Shopify domain, right? You might want to go and try something like Hostinger, right? I'll have the link for them in the description below, so you guys can go check them out, right? So once you enter a word or a domain name that you want, right, and you click search, right, and see if it's available or not, right, you can actually see how much it's going to cost for the first year. So if you get something like .com, you might be paying only 1 cent, right? It's a lot better than paying $17 a year, right, to start. So you might want to use something like Hostinger the first year, right? And then after that, it will renew $20 a year, which is pretty much the same price like Shopify, right? It will renew every year. Let's say if you get this one, it will renew every year for $17 USD, right? Or if let's say you get a domain ending with store, right? The first year you'll pay $9, right? And then after that, it'll be $52, right? And so that's something that you might want to look into, right? And so as you see here, this one here is $1 if you buy the domain name, right? Instead of paying, $9, you'll pay $1 for it. So you're saving, $8 right there. So a great option if you're thinking about buying a domain for your Shopify store, right? And if you guys have any questions, right, comment down below and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have.